Good day everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for updates. For today's video, we are going to unbox the Kingsdown Power Recliner Loveseat with console. Then we will do the assembly in order to enjoy this wonderful piece of furniture. One-piece recliner seat. 2 pieces recliner back and a piece media element back. A power charger, assembly instruction printout, and a brochure. Slide inside back receivers into the steel mechanism post in the base of the furniture. Press both sides of the back firmly into place. The inside back automatically locks into place. Do this 3 times. Connect the provided power charger to the recliner's power plug. Lock and secure it, then connect the power charger to the electrical outlet. Now that we have finished the power recliner assembly, it is time to test it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day everyone.